A lot of you have questioned what exactly is the centre's advisory with regards to treatment protocol for Omicron. Well, the government has maintained that the protocol is pretty much the same as what we followed during the Delta variant, during the first wave as well. In our next report, we break down exactly what you need to follow if you're being treated for COVID.
It has been 6 weeks since the world came to know of Omicron, the fifth variant of concern in the ongoing pandemic. And 6 weeks on, the hunt continues worldwide to find ways to tackle it. Medical experts are of the view that Pfizer's Paxlovid appears to be the best bet to reduce deaths, hospitalizations if cases are serious. Paxlovid has been authorized by the US FDA for emergency use in both high-risk adults and child patients over 12. Pfizer says it's scaling up production to provide 10 million treatment courses to the US government as America battles an unprecedented surge of about 1 million cases a day. So what does India do since 2 of the 3 drugs showing promise are not available here?
Patients with mild to moderate COVID-19, but with risk factors that put them at high risk for progressing to severe COVID-19. These agents include 2 oral drugs, Molnupiravir, which is available in India, Paxlovid by Pfizer, which is currently not available in India, and Sotrovimab, which is a monoclonal antibody therapy that is unfortunately also not available in India. It's not to be confused with Regencov, the monoclonal antibody cocktail, which is available in India and which is not proven to work against the Omicron variant. These agents, especially Paxlovid and Sotrovimab, are likely to be in short supply.
How really will these pills reach India, especially the one that has been developed by Pfizer? Well, Pfizer for once has allowed the generic manufacturing of these pills to many companies across the world, including some companies in India. In India and outside of India also, eventually this will reach the population, but this will take some time. Pfizer estimates that gradually it will reach about 53% of the global population across 95 countries.
Indian pharma giants Sun, Optimus and Dr. Reddy's labs have signed an agreement to produce the Pfizer pill, for which trials have been held. The trials will likely be on the lines of Molnupiravir, the COVID-19 antiviral drug that has been authorized in India.
The currently available monoclonal antibodies are unlikely to be effective against the Omicron variant. There are new antibodies in development, and of course we'll see as they see the light of the day, and they are targeted specifically against domains on variants of concern like Omicron.
The government has warned that this drug has to be used with caution and hasn't been inducted in the treatment protocol yet.
This drug has major safety concerns. It can cause teratogenicity and what you have mentioned, mutagenicity, and it also can cause cartilage damage and can also be damaging to muscles also. Contraception will have to be done for 3 months if this drug is given for male and female, because the child born could be problematic with teratogenic influences.
Experts say that the treatment protocol will evolve but is unlikely to change drastically.
Since the Omicron variant has substantially changed the tip of its spike protein, the earlier monoclonal antibodies will not work against this one. But there is evidence that Sotrovimab, which is another monoclonal antibody, which is used in Western nations, is still effective against the Omicron variant.
The government has also cautioned people into rushing into treatment like during the second wave.
जो भी नॉन ऑथेंटिक और नॉन एविडेंस बेस्ड ट्रीटमेंट प्रोटोकॉल होगा वह पेशेंट को हार्म कर सकता है. हमें यह ध्यान रखना है कि हम टेस्ट और ट्रीटमेंट वो ही लें जो कि हमारे ट्रीटिंग डॉक्टर द्वारा एडवाइस किए जाएं. हम सेल्फ मेडिकेशन की तरफ ना जाएं.
And there's no need to rush to hospitals in panic. Do so only if you have difficulty in breathing, severe fatigue and body ache, and very high temperature. In New Delhi with Sneha Modani, Bureau Report, India Today.